Yeah, I think I'm also gonna move Los Angeles down below 18 years.
Okay. Days of reigned in Los Angeles is less than 18.
All right.
So now I gotta ask you one last time.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock this list in.
He wants to lock this list.
Lock this list. This is it. This is it.
All right, Christopher, you've already locked the list. It's time to see if you're right. All right, and remember, if any of these are wrong, I'm gonna replace you with a member from the studio audience and say peace to you.
Man.
Days had reigned in Los Angeles in 2015. All right, now, the roofer right here guaranteed you that it would be less than 18 and more than 5. For the trip to Hawaii, is it greater than 5 but less than 18? Show me.
Who?
Chris. Hold on. You trusted the roofer.
I did.
But you also had Ron Burgundy tell you he knew all about Seattle, right?
Right.
Let's see if Ron Burgundy was correct. Days had reigned in Seattle. No. Christopher, you had it right originally.
Not even close.
There is going to be an angry
The
mob.
good news is you get to keep the lobster dinner.
All right.
It was a pleasure. Thank you for everything you've done, all right?
Thank you.
It's time to bring up a new contestant. All right, take it. The
They were right. Sorry, Ron, the numbers don't lie.